Hey guys, we're back with another episode of No Cuts. I'm Louie and here with me is
Grant Sower.
and you know what? Guys, if you remember our previous episode, we were talking about building an ITX PC for me. But we are going to build a PC, although ngayon kasi wala kaming budget. Ito na lang i-build namin. So, to reiterate lang, what I needed in this PC, I wanted to be able to play Monster Hunter Wilds on it. I wanted to be able to content create on it, edit videos and stuff like that, maybe stream. So let's see all the parts that Grant came up with. So go ahead, take it away, Grant.
Okay, so starting with the CPU. So originally at 75k pesos, our budget was the AMD Ryzen 7700X or 7700. But we had a modder friend who unfortunately got a modding project canceled. And so we got his 7800X3D, brand new, kita mo sealed pa, for the same price. So it's basically a steal. From 25,000, you've got 17K.
17K.
And of course, to cool it, since it's an X3D processor, it doesn't have a cooler, Louis just wanted a white cooler. So it was up to me to decide. And this one is on sale. It's relatively old but new kasi it's retrofitted for the AM5 socket. So we have the T-Force 240mm AIO. Then next is the motherboard, the B650M Aorus Elite AX ICE. Now, Louis just did a reel and of course a 150k gaming PC, di ba? Bumuo siya dalawa na.
This
With the B850,
build.
so this is the predecessor to it. So difference lang nung dalawa is the other one has more Gen 5 ports whereas this one has a Gen 5 and a Gen 4 ports na sa iba.
Okay.
And of course, M80X siya. So it's not, we didn't have budget for an ITX motherboard, case, and power supply, of course GPU then, and all of that. But you can still go smaller with the B650M. Then for the RAM,
right here.
yan, RAM. So parehas sila puti.
Which is white.
Which is whiter. So for I went for the G-Skill Ripjaws M5 Neo. So para siyang Trident Z din, but
may RGB.
It's RGB, it's white, and of course yung speed na pinili ko is DDR5 6000 CL36. So it's the optimal speed for Ryzen 7000 series processors.
Request ko din kay Grant was I wanted a 32 gig RAM na rin.
Yeah, 32 gig RAM na din.
This is the one.
So it fits her budget so far.
Yeah, so far. Okay.
Yes, so far. So for the SSD, we went with the Kingston NV3. So yung NV3 kasi is one of the best budget NVMe SSDs today. I believe Louis doesn't need the Gen 5 speeds and of course the full speed of Gen 4. So the NV2 is actually a good balance between speed, performance, and of course price. And of course, we have our review of the NV3 up on our website, www.gadgetpilipinas.net. Next is, this is a big debate, the GPU.
So sorry.
Kasi for sure, pag-start pala ng video, marami na siguro nagtatype, bakit hindi RTX 50 AMD Ryzen 7800 XTD? Okay, for context, these parts, nabili na namin about a month ago. So, before the release, actually, yung planning stage pa, yung last No Cuts episode natin. So, it's a long time ago. And right now, wala pa po kami info about the upcoming RTX 5060 Ti 5060. But Louis wants to play Monster Hunter Wilds today. So, this is the best that we could fit to our budget.
Budget. Remember guys, budget. This is a budget build, okay? Budget, in fairness.
Yes. So, some would argue na bakit hindi nila ako nag-Ryzen 5 plus 4070 or 4070 Super, especially if it's for gaming. But Louie is a content creator, OMG Louie, and of course, here at Gadget Pilipinas. So, she wants to be able to stream and of course, edit. So, a good balance would be a stronger CPU, then, of course, a very capable still GPU. And of course, if you want more frame rates, nandiyan naman yung DLSS and other upscaling technologies. What's your monitor pala?
Right now, I have a 1440p.
1440p monitor. So, capable pa naman yung RTX 4060 Ti with its 8GB VRAM. Titweak lang si Louie ng settings. But, you're coming from what type of PC?
Oh my God.
For context with our viewer.
10-year-old GPU, 960. A 960
960. So,
GPU.
yung jump going to a 4060 pa lang. And your laptop is ano specs?
2060 Max
So, 2060 is a very, very big jump. So, you don't always have to buy, of course, the latest naman, no? So, just because we're reviewers doesn't mean dapat latest. So, it's a mixture between the latest parts. Of course, may 9800 X3D na, may 5060 na upcoming dapat. Pero we went with these components kasi nga, for the price, you can't really go wrong. And of course, wala pa namang buyer's remorse.
Yeah.
Now, rounding up our 4060 Ti
Right now,
is the
wala
850 watt. Yeah. The 850 watt power supply. So, but 850? Pwede namang 650.
Oh, sige, explain. Bakit nga ba?
Kung biglang ginusto ni Louie mag-upgrade to a 5070 Ti or a Ryzen 9, so the upgrade path is there. Yes, with the B650 naman AM5 platform, she can go with the Ryzen 9000 series din. Then since PCIe 5.0 to, yung power supply at 850 watts, she can go as high as a RTX 5080, I believe.
Wow.
So may options si Louie,
there's a
pera
lot
na lang
of,
yung kailangan.
At saka there's a lot of room to grow if in case magkaroon ng budget
Yes.
someday. We
So
can. Yeah.
I built this with the budget in mind and of course yung upgradability. Now, here's the case. So yung case I left, yung case I left it to Louie. So I gave her options.
Yeah.
Then yung nagustuhan niya was initially was the Techwear one, but nung binili namin sa PC Hub, it was
Medyo
out of stock. So the
Actually,
next one,
I think that's the challenge when you want a build that has a certain aesthetic to it. Kasi me, I've always wanted an all-white PC build. So most of the components are white. But yun nga, that's the challenge. Is number one, the price, and then the stock. Like, it's hard. We went through a lot of options, diba?
Yeah.
Sobrang dami. Like, we went through like 4 or 5 before we settled on the, ano to?
Ossipus Gamma
Ossipus,
C50
yeah.
case.
Kasi, wala nang stock sa Pilipinas. Like, ang hirap na niyang bilhin.
Bilhin.
And now, within our budget, which is, it's a good price for a white case, diba? So, yun. Interesting din siya.
So, yun, since nasabi na namin the white, baka may magreklamo bakit hindi white yung power supply. So, we purposely went for a case that doesn't showcase the power supply kasi nga, we knowingly got a black one. So, and of course, yung contrast naman sa cables, I think highlights the white build better. So, tignan natin mamaya once we get to build the PC.
Yeah. So, walang magrereklamo kasi sa akin tong PC na to. Masaya na ako, guys. Okay. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm excited kasi, well, I'm still learning how to build a PC. We'll show you guys how we built this PC. Keep watching. And then that's it. That's our episode for No Cuts.
Yeah, no cuts nga pala. So, separate video yung build process and everything.
Yeah. So,
And of course, a full build guide article will be up at www.gadgetpilipinas.net.
yeah, we made it in time. Wala pang 10 minutes. Okay, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!